Okay, so our next topic is about levels. So levels is like creating a dark view on your picture. Okay, let's go and I will show you how we do it. Okay, so remember this one. Let's try and use this one. I make the sky darker because this is the actual photo. And if you want to make your presentation a little more look like a nighttime view, you need to create a dark sky. Okay, and you can do that if you use the levels or Control L. Okay, so let's try and do it now. So I'm here at the sky layer. So I'm here now. I will press Control L. And now this is the levels. And if I drag my cursor to the right, you can see now it's more black. And if I drag it going to the left, it becomes brighter. See this one? And if I drag the middle, you can see the contrast between the bright and the brightness and the darkness of this sky. Okay, so it depends on you on how you will make the sky more darker or brighter. It depends on your presentation. But most of the time, I just made it like, it's like 7 a.m. darkness or a little combination of sunset and darkness. So not totally dark like that. So yeah, Control L is the key on that one. Okay, let's try again. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm here at the layer 1, but I'm going to click on the sky and then I'll click and then copy. Now I created a new layer and I trace the sky layer and you can see now I have a new sky here and I will Control L and then I will set the level and you can see now it's too blue and if I drag it here it seems like it's okay. So to make it more really cool dark mode, drag this output levels at the bottom and then yeah, make it like that. So leave a little trace of blueness here and then darkness at the top. So it depends on how you will create your sky and yeah. So press the bottom levels also in this Control L. Alright, so that's how you did it. And then you will press OK. So let's see the difference between what we did and the previous one. So this is my old design. And this is the one we just created. And let's see which one is much better. So I turn on the dark mode here. And yeah, this is the old one and this is the new one. So it depends on you now on how you will judge your levels in your sky. So that's why I told you should have a flair of art because you're just using your eyes to judge whether your lighting design is okay or not. And then also here in this level, for example, I created this one, right? So I want to show to the client that it's a night mode, but this is the original file. So what I'm going to do is Control L, and then I will adjust the levels here. If I adjust it like this, you can see those dark columns become so darker. So what I'm going to do is I'll just adjust this one. Yes, perfect. So it follows everything, not totally the dark mode only. So I think the bottom levels is perfect compared to the upper one, which it becomes, the contrast becomes so strong. Okay, so it depends on how you will use your levels or Control L. So either at the bottom like this or this one, which is not good for this one. For other pictures, you can use this one, but this one, because it's like all pastel color, because I think it's rendered in SketchUp, so I think better use this one. Alright, so that is Control L. So if you have questions, just let me know, and see you again on the next lecture, which is cropping.